Jeffrey, I'll pose the same question to you then. I'm curious to get your perspective. Would you have denied this request if you were the judge?
If I was the judge, I would have granted the request. And this is the worst thing you can hear from an attorney appearing on Law and Crime. I hate pretrial publicity. I hate it. I
Mhm.
think that juries need to hear evidence as it comes out. I don't like people forming opinions and having their minds molded by news coverage. When it's on one of my cases, I always wish we could get the camera out of the courtroom. But that's my case, right? I don't want to see the negative impact of pretrial publicity on my client. And then here I am doing commentary on these cases here. It's a bit of a contradiction because there is a public interest to this and there is a First Amendment right for people to know this stuff. But this is private, intimate information. There are very few people in our society that are less protected than the sex worker. And an OnlyFans model is a sex worker. It's a form of sex work to sell that type of information and that type of video and photograph of yourself, and they are treated as less than by not only the public who's going to now see some of this stuff and have a sense of what she was actually doing on OnlyFans, but also by the legal system. They're less protected by prosecutors when they're the victims of crimes. They're more heavily prosecuted by prosecutors when they're the defendants in crimes. And judges look the other way. There is no way on God's green earth that you would see a judge allow a non sex worker's intimate photos and videos allowed to be released to the public when it was guaranteed that they were going to make their way onto the internet and onto TV airs. There is no way you would see them do that to someone else. She is being treated differently. Sex workers are routinely discriminated against in our justice system, and this is absolutely another showing of that.